Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog. Love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay. So, nasa Davao ako ngayon kaya kakaibang aking setup. Yan. So, ang gagawin natin today ay ang general and collective love reading para ito sa lahat ng signs. So, if mag-resonate itong reading, use this reading with discernment. So, tingnan natin kung kaninong energy masasagap ko today. So, if this resonates, sana makatulong and gamitin nyo siya with discernment as I always remind everyone. Okay? So gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. It's growing. Sana patuloy nyo pong suportahan by subscribing, lalo na sa mga bagong nakasubaybay ngayon. Please subscribe para mas mag-grow pa yung channel ko and para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings. And sana supportahan nyo pa by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Okay? And yan. Sorry. Tapos, comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung mag-resonate itong reading sa inyo. Share nyo na rin sa mga kilala nyo pang nangangailangan ng guidance from the universe. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang 10 card spread. So bubunot ako ng 10 cards from this deck which I will immediately reveal. Tapos bubunot ako ng 10 cards as well from this deck. Pero isa-send ko siyang i-reveal. So, sana mag-resonate. Okay, again, this is a collective and general reading. So, kung kaninong energy masagap ko ngayon, yun yung magiging interpretation ng mga cards na lalabas. Okay, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kung hindi talaga, again, pagpilitin, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay? Okay, sige. So, I'll get the 5th card dahil May ngayon. May pa rin naman. Tingnan natin ano yung maging love reading. Lalo na sa paparating na June. Okay? So, alright. Simulan na natin. So, first card. Okay, the Emperor. Oops. Go to focus siya. Yan yun na. Ace of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. Ooh, 3 of Swords. Six of Wands. Nine of Swords. Oh. Sige. Six of Pentacles. Queen of Cups. Four of Wands. And the Hanged Woman. Okay. Then, let's get 10 cards from this deck. Oops. Alright. Okay. So first you might be dealing with an Aries, with a Pisces. Doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading nito. Okay, pero check nyo yung Moon, Venus, Rising din nila. Baka Aries and Pisces din sila sa mga placements na yun. Okay, so simulan natin. Sorry. Oops. May click mata. Ayan. With the Emperor and Three of Cups. Okay. So, first pair is an Emperor and Three of Cups. So, nakikita ko dito that you and your person needs to collaborate properly to support each other sa mga goals, plans ninyo as a couple. And this support or collaboration and yung na-establish yung relationship requires you to be more responsible, okay, sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong roles. Okay? With the Emperor here, nag-resonate ng leadership energy. Okay? So, you really have to balance din yung mga priorities ninyo. Okay? Both individual priorities and yung priorities ninyo as a couple. Okay? So, syempre, may kanya-kanya kayong career unless magkasama kayo sa same work, di ba? Pero, you have your own career, you have your own goals, plans prior to being together. And, syempre, as a couple, meron din kayong mga goals, dreams na gusto nyo mangyari na kayong dalawa together. Okay, and may mga priorities din kayo sa relationship. And kailangan nyo siyang i-balance. And paano nyo siyang mababalance? Okay? Kailangan nyo talaga ng proper collaboration, ng yung all-out support sa isa't isa. Hindi lang isa yung nagdadala ng relasyon. Dapat pareho kayong nagdadala ng inyong relasyon. Okay? So, and also with the Emperor card showing up here, dito, dapat kung ano yung mga ginawa ninyo or mga activities or mga nasabi, nagawa, na contribute sa kung ano yung current situation ng relationship ninyo, dapat accountable kayo sa mga iyon. Okay? Ayun Lover's card. Okay. So, with the Lover's card and Ace of Pentacles, nakikita ko dito na mahal nyo talagang isa't isa. And some more Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is a commitment and full investment sa relasyon. And diba sa isang bagay, lalo na pag gusto mo yung isang bagay, regardless kung trabaho yan, relasyon, or business, diba? You put a lot of effort and you invest on something na naniniwala ka kasi na mag-grow, naniniwala ka na hindi ka matatalo sa isang bagay or kahit may mga risk, di ba? Parang you invest because naniniwala ka na there's a lot of potential dun sa pinag-investan mo. And for this, in your relasyon, naniniwala ka na there's a really promising long-term relationship. There's really a potential in this relationship na nakikita mo at nararamdaman mo Ah, kasi una na alam niyo na mahal niyo naman yung isa't isa, and with this love, it will also give this assurance na okay, mag-grow and tama yung decision ko na mag-invest sa relasyon na ito. Okay? And, ayan. Alright. With, okay. However, ito medyo, yung, yung pag-settle down is, there's merong self-discovery na nangyayari dito dun sa current na situation niyo sa relasyon niyo. 'Di ba may mga priorities kayo na sarili-sarili. Pero nung naging kayo na, 'di ba? Meron kayo sa relationship goals, may priorities na rin kayo as a couple, and na-realize nyo na okay, kaya naman din pala na pagsabayin. May yun, there's a self-discovery kasi before kala nyo siguro na ay ang hirap pagsabihin ng sariling priorities sa priority ng relasyon. And ang hirap i-prioritize din ang relasyon kung may mga kanya-kanyang priorities. Pero you realize na kaya naman pala. Kaya pala na ma-achieve itong um, long-term commitment, and kaya nyo rin mag-settle down or um, maging mag-level up sa relasyon. Kung currently you're still on dating stage, tapos gusto nyo mag-level up into a committed relationship. Kung committed na, gusto nyo mag-level up into a married or magbuo ng family. That's the energy of Ten of Pentacles kasi, settling down. Okay? Or there's a lot of unexpected gain na nangyayari. And before, parang kala nyo hindi possible. Okay? Pero posible nga siya as long as okay, you possess this Emperor and Three of Cups energy sa relasyon. And lalo na rooted siya or anchored siya sa real love. Totoong nagmamahalan naman kayo dito. So itong Ten of Pentacles, okay, this can be achieved also by walking away or letting go of the idea na hindi kayang balansehin ang mga priorities in life. Okay? Alright. So, with the Three of Swords here, na attached sa Seven of Wands. Okay, so si Seven of Wands is a card of okay. Seven of Wands is a card of overcoming challenges. Okay? And alam niyo yung mga boundaries niyo naman din sa isa't isa. Alam niyo kung ano yung mga boundaries na would lead to something painful, some heartache. Actually, meron ng, may mga pangyayari na before na halos gusto niyo nang give up din sa relationship. Kahit gaano niyo kamahal yung isa-isa, pero parang kala niyo ang hirap, ang dami kong priorities, tapos ipa-prioritize ko pa tong relasyon na to, di ba? May ganun na almost tumating na sa separation, okay? Possible na nagkaroon na ng no-contact situation before, or nagkaroon ng cool off, or nagkaroon kayo ng pag-usap na, teka, tingnan muna natin para ba tayo sa isa't isa, or tama ba tong ginagawa natin, or tama ba na magkarelasyon tayo? There were some doubts, issues, challenges before. However, with the Seven of Wands showing up here, overcoming challenges, and standing firm din sa mga boundaries na, okay, sige, ito yung boundaries ko, pero kaya ko ring commit pa rin sa relationship, and it's a matter of respect din. Minsan na I think yun yung nagiging issue nyo rin before na minsan nako-cross na yung mga kanya-kanyang boundaries, pero in a secure and stable relationship dapat, kahit despite the boundaries na meron kayo sa isa't isa sa as individual, di ba, nirerespeto niyo yung mga boundaries na yun, and with that pa nga, mas nag-grow yung relationship kasi, okay, alam mo na, okay, hindi ko to dapat gawin kasi masasagasaan ko yung boundaries ng partner ko. And ito rin yung isa, masasagasaan ko yung boundaries ng partner ko. Pero kapag mas matagal nyo nang napapractice ninyo yung healthy compromise, okay, and then respect and trust sa relationship. Actually, yung mga kahit gaano ka firm yung boundaries naman, magiging healthy pa rin naman yung relationship. Okay? Siyempre sa umpisa, nagkakaroon ng adjustments, di ba? Parang naninibago, ganyan. Parang hirap na mag-compromise, mag-adjust. Pero dahil mahal nyo naman yung isa't isa, and again, kailangan nyo na talaga supportahan yung bawat isa for the relationship to work. Okay? And here with the Six of Wands, you have to also recognize yung mga flaws and na hindi nyo, again, don't make your partner possession, and hopefully your partner does the same to you, na sa relasyon you don't treat your partner as a possession but as an experience. Kasi pag tinreat nyo na siya na possession, di ba, may tendency kayo talaga to really hold on to that person and be controlling. Di ba? Baka ingat din doon kasi may tendency either isa sa inyo ay nagiging controlling sa relasyon. So, here you have to let go of that kasi Four of Coins is a card of being possessive. Okay, Four of Coins is being possessive, being jealous, di ba? So, kaya nga dito, di ba, dapat may trust. Okay? Dapat nandun yung respeto, tiwala, and talagang kung totoo yung love din talaga, hindi nyo pag-iisipan ng masama din yung isa't isa. Okay, kailangan nyo yung iwasan kasi wala naman talagang dapat, kuwari pag silosan, wala rin dapat na maging masyadong controlling, possessive sa isang sa bawat isa kasi it's not helping. Mas nakakasira siya ng relasyon. Okay? And with the Six of Wands, sinasabi din dito ni Universe na you have to also let go of this being possessive, jealous, and with the right teamwork and support. Again, ito Six of Wands is also similar dito sa Three of Cups energy sa umpisa na you really have to support each other. Okay, kailangan may teamwork and you will be victorious when it comes to your romantic life. Okay? Ayan. See, now with the Nine of Swords and the Hierophant. Okay, so si Nine of Swords kasi is huwag niyong hayaan na umabot sa regret na hindi niyo ginawa yung mga ninyong gawin, yung mga sinabi ko kanina. Kasi with Nine of Swords showing up here, there's merong pa rin anxiety na may nag-overthink pa rin sa inyo na sa current situation, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan, bakit may mga issues pa rin, di ba? Yung pagiging jealous and pagiging possessive, nagsisimula sa pag-overthink Kasi at sa pag-overthink, ang dami nyo nang naiisip na formulate na story na hindi naman talaga totoo. At wala rin masyadong basis. Minsan talagang nag-create na kayo ng your own reality, pero hindi talaga siya yung totoo. So, and from that, yung mga overthinking results to issues in commitment. Okay? So, you have to avoid that. Okay? Yung pagiging overthinker. Okay? And yung stress na hindi na naman dapat ma-stress. Okay? Kasi nga, minsan parang ito, yung sa Hierophant na nakakabit sa Nine of Swords dito, na-stress kayo over sa masyadong yung compartmentalize yung idea ng isang relasyon. Yung parang masyado kayong conventional na or dapat ganito kasi ang relasyon. Parang your kung ano yung parang sinasabi din ng society, parang gusto nyong i-align doon yung or mag-fit dun sa mold na sinasabi. Pero hindi, ang mga relasyon, wala dapat sa inyo lang yan. You don't also compare it with others. You don't also parang base it na, kasi ganito yung ah, dati kong relasyon or ganito yung sinasabi ng society or ganito yung naging relasyon ng parents ko kaya nag-work siya. Bakit hindi namin magawa, di ba? Pero your parents are two different, I mean, ibang tao sila sa inyo. Even the friends or kung ano man yung nasa society ninyo, ibang tao sila. Okay? Kung pare-pareho lang tayo ng um, DNA, di ba? Di dapat sobrang ano na ang tawag doon, na standardize na ang relasyon din, di ba? Okay, so ingat doon, ingat sa ganung tendencies kasi it's not helping the relationship. And see, it will help you kasi ito mo, with the Six of Pentacles, this is a card of gener generosity, yes, but more on sa reading na ito, more on the reciprocation and yung meron kayong mafe-feel nyo na ay thankful kayo and yung sense of gratitude na nandiyan kayo para sa isa't isa. And also with the Six of Pentacles and the Knight of Coins or Pentacles showing up together, yung reciprocation nyo dapat consistent siya. Okay? It will help in the relationship, yung consistency, expressing love, kung ano man yung love language nyo, pero expressing it consistently, and reciprocating, kasi card of reciprocation, card of consistency, will help in the growth then of the relationship and para ma-achieve ninyo yung Ten of Pentacles energy here na alam kong gusto niyo naman din mangyari and maiwasan ninyo itong mga heartaches, mga issues, trauma, stress, and anxiety na meron sa relasyon. Okay? So, the more you practice nga yung reciprocation din, mas, alam mo yun, magiging habit na siya na, okay, minahal niya ako, mamahalin ko rin siya, ginawa niya to, gagawin ko rin yun. And mas doon, mas nagbi-build pa yung trust kasi pag palitan kayo ng ng energy, positive energies, di ba? Mas nag-grow ang relationship, okay? And mas nawawala to kasi nakikita nyo nga din na hindi naman pala totoo yung mga iniisip, in-overthink kasi nga, nagkakaroon ng reciprocation and nakikita siya. Okay? Alright, see, two queens. Queen of Cups and Queen of Wands. It's a very nurturing energy of mga queens sa tarot. So, here with the Queen of Cups, okay, practice empathy sa relasyon sa bawat isa. And nakikita ko dito naman na committed naman talaga din kayo siya and devoted kayo sa isa't isa. Somewhere with the Queen of Wands, yung commitment na yun is resulting to a deeper connection. Okay? And ito rin yung nurturing love na pinaprocess ninyo with the Queen of Cups here, and the empathy, the devotion, the commitment is creating a deeper connection, and also validates or giving both of you assurance na parang hindi nyo na kailangan ng talagang formal validation. Nararamdaman ninyo na nabavalidate na kayo because na-express and napapakita yung love na hinahanap-hanap nyo rin. Okay? So, tingnan mo, nagsishift siya. The more you really resolve these issues, mas magsishift siya into an abundant and deeper connection, and a relationship full of abundance, love, affection, nurturing love. Ayan. Magmamanifest na siya, change yung direction ng relationship ninyo. Okay? Yeah, see, it's a milestone. Four of Wands is a card of celebration. Ay, sa Four of Wands sa tarot, napakaswerte niya kasi diba parang 11-11. So, 11-11 is a very lucky and giving so much blessings and something to celebrate sa relationship. So, it's a card of having a new milestone, something, and that milestone is something that you both will celebrate, diba? And tapos nakakabit pa siya with the Ace of Wands, which is something new milestone na, again, and na double confirm pa siya, there's a new beginning. Mag-shift talaga siya. The more na na-resolve nyo to, magbabago yung point of view ninyo sa relasyon. Tapos makikita ninyo, magkakaroon kayo ng mas intense and passionate na relasyon. Yung attraction nyo sa isang isa mas mag-i-intensify. Tapos yung passion ninyo sa lahat, whatever it is, sensual thing. Tapos talagang mas ma-attach pa kayo sa isa't isa. Magiging better and better and better every day. Yan. Again, once na dumaan na kayo dito, mas nag-shift na yung relationship from these issues to a more positive and stable and secure and mature relationship. Okay? Oh, yan oh, Four of Wands na naman. Okay, it's just a double confirmation that this relationship will end up really well. Okay, with the Four of Wands here, and with the hanged woman or man, sinasabi lang din that just be patient. Just be patient and ma-achieve nyo to. Because once you also surrender to the idea or the situation na mahal nyo yung isa't isa at kaya nyo talagang lagpasan yung mga problema, all you have to do is really to shift gears sa relationship. Ma-achieve nyo tong Four of Wands energy. Okay? With the Hanged Woman here, which is a card of patience. Be patient sa isa't isa. Okay? Ang change hindi naman siya nangyayari overnight. Pero if you're both willing to change, it's achievable. Diba? Okay. Sige. Tingnan natin ano yung advice ni Universe sa inyo. I get the 5th card. Gratitude and dreams. Okay, lumabas din to sa isa kong reading, pero di ba? You'll be grateful kasi ma-achieve niyo yung dream ninyong happy and long-lasting relationship. And first practice gratitude. Importante ito, be grateful na dumating itong love sa life ninyo. Kasi the more grateful you are nga, small things, that's how the universe works din eh. Malilit na bagay, kapag grateful ka, mas binibigay yun ni universe sa'yo. Kasi nakita niya na, okay, itong person na to is grateful siya. I'll give more and more. And that's how you'll do as well, di ba? Sa mga taong kakilala mo. Kapag grateful yung tao, mas willing ka pang magbigay ng mas marami or tulungan pa yung person na yun, di ba? Um, pero pag ingrata yung tao, di ba? Parang mapapaisip ka pa, ay, should I give more? No, 'di ba? Pero pag ganito din when it comes to love, 'di ba? When you're grateful na dumating yung tao, mas nakita mo nagkakaroon ka ng appreciation din sa person mo. O 'di ba? Mas mabilis itong reciprocation na nangyayari sa relasyon. Okay? So, yep, everything will go well. Don't worry. Don't worry, be happy. Okay? So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Kita kits. Ingat.